Hey guys, it's Brooke with WTI.
We recently took our toddler on his first plane ride and we had a long day of traveling. So I wanted to find some things that would occupy his time without using a screen. I found these reusable sticker books and they were such a hit. I have never seen him play with anything for so long. It comes with 3 different ones: dinosaurs, vehicles, and farm. And I love them all. They all will teach him different things. They are so cute and there are so many stickers included. The farm is so colorful and there's animals and fruits and vegetables. The vehicles was his favorite, hands down. And I love that he is learning these things while he's playing. There also is dinosaurs, which is awesome because that will be fun for him to learn. I was super impressed by how durable these books are. We used them for a week straight of him just taking the stickers off and putting them back on. They're still all in super excellent condition, and I love that we can ask him to point things out and he is learning what vehicles are what. They also stick on pretty much any surface, so that's really fun too, even at home on the dishwasher or any windows.
If you have a busy toddler and you need something to occupy their time, I highly recommend getting these reusable sticker books. They are amazing. He loves them. You cannot wreck these things and they cling to almost anything. We love it so much and you will too. And that's my point of view.